Hello everyone, welcome back to Good Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Wayfinder is having exception access violation error which is happening for few of the users right now and how we can fix it. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one, we have to do a restart on your PC. So we just need to go over here in the start, click on this particular icon, go to the power icon over here and go for a restart. So once you're done with the restart, we just need to try launching the game. If restart is not working, we can try with the next step. Next step is all about we have to run the game as an administrator. For running the game as an administrator, we have two methods. We need to navigate to the installation folder. Just right click over here and go to the properties. Go to the installed file and just click on the browse. So that will redirect us to the installation folder. If you check at the top, that is this PC, new volume D, Steam library, Steam apps, common, Wayfinder. So now from here we can launch the game. We can launch the game from here. So that is also fine for many users. When they launch the game over there, it worked for them. So you can just go back and try launch the game. Now from here we have to right click, go to show more options, go to properties, compatibility. Over here, make sure the run this program as an administrator is enabled. So just go for OK. Now we just need to go over here and we have to close this and we have to go back and we need to try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but we have to verify integrity of game file. So just go over here, right click, and we have to go to the properties, go to installed file and just click on the verify integrity of game file. So verify integrity of game file, and once you're done with this one, just go over here and launch the game. So verify integrity of game file is what it is. When you click on this one, it will cross check every single files of a game, and if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this particular one. So you just need to do like this. Next one is all about nothing but we have to update the graphics card. For this we just need to go over here in the search. You just need to go over here, go to the website. So I'll be providing a link in the description to both. So this is for the NVIDIA, this is for the AMD. So the NVIDIA users have to go over here, select every details like your product type, product series, product, operation, operating system, etc. And we need to go for start search. If you're on Windows 11, select Windows 11 and go for start search. When you go for start search, what happens is you'll be getting the latest released version, that is 537.13. The released version is August 22, 2023. So just download this, install, restart is a mandatory. If you're on the AMD, just go over here, select every details over here, and we have to go to the submit over here. And when you go for submit, we have to go over here in the Windows 11. If you're on Windows 11, download this one. If you're on Windows 10, we have to download this one. Install, restart is a mandatory, and try launch the game. And also you can try installing the Microsoft Visual C++. So I'll be providing link in the description. You can download this. You can go to this page, and the system is based on x64. You can download this one. If the system is based on x86, you can download this one. Install, restart is a mandatory one. And also you can try installing the DirectX. You can also try installing the DirectX. You can download it. And also for many users, when they downloaded the DirectX, it worked for them. So you can download the DirectX and try installing it over there, and that will be working fine as well. So even after trying with this, if the issue is still there, you're not able to fix this up, you can also try updating the Windows. It worked at few users. So just go over here in the search and we have to go to the settings. Now from here go to the Windows update. So just update your Windows. Keep in mind you have to update the Windows, and once you update the Windows, just close this and we have to go back and we need to try launch the game. So these are the possible workaround which can be done once you are having an issue with Wayfinder. This particular issue, that is error, exception, access violation, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.